Hello, English learners! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn some super useful English phrases using the amazing chunks method. This method helps you learn groups of words together, making your English sound more natural and fluent. Our topic today is restaurant, and we're starting at level 1, so it's perfect for beginners. Let's dive right in.
Welcome to Some Bites of English Every Day. Learn English in small, delicious bites.
Our first chunk is, I want a table for 2. This means you need a table for 2 people to sit and eat. You use this when you arrive at a restaurant with one other person. Repeat after me, slowly. I want a table for 2. I want a table for 2. Now I will give you 10 seconds of silence. Use this time to repeat the sentence by yourself.
I want a table for 2.
Certainly, right this way.
Next up is, can I see the menu? This means you want to look at the list of food and drinks the restaurant offers. You say this to the waiter or waitress. Repeat after me, slowly. Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu? Now, I will give you 10 seconds of silence. Use this time to repeat the sentence by yourself.
Can I see the menu?
Here's another great one. What do you recommend? You ask this when you don't know what to order and want the waiter to suggest something good. Repeat after me, slowly. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? Now, I will give you 10 seconds of silence. Use this time to repeat the sentence by yourself.
What do you recommend?
I highly recommend the grilled salmon with roasted vegetables.
Our fourth chunk is, I'll have the pasta. This means you choose pasta to eat. You use I'll have to tell the waiter what you want to order. Repeat after me, slowly. I'll have the pasta. I'll have the pasta. Now, I will give you 10 seconds of silence. Use this time to repeat the sentence by yourself.
I'll have the pasta.
Moving on. A glass of water, please. This is how you ask for a drink of water. It's a very simple and polite way to get water. Repeat after me, slowly. A glass of water, please. A glass of water, please. Now, I will give you 10 seconds of silence. Use this time to repeat the sentence by yourself.
A glass of water, please.
Let's learn, is this spicy? You ask this if you want to know if the food has a strong, hot flavor. It's useful if you don't like spicy food. Repeat after me, slowly. Is this spicy? Is this spicy? Now I will give you 10 seconds of silence. Use this time to repeat the sentence by yourself.
Is this spicy?
Here's a polite request. Can I get a refill? This means you want more of your drink, especially if it's a soft drink or coffee. Repeat after me, slowly. Can I get a refill? Can I get a refill? Now I will give you 10 seconds of silence. Use this time to repeat the sentence by yourself.
Can I get a refill? Wow.
Our 8th chunk is, this is delicious. You say this when the food tastes very good. It's a nice compliment to the chef. Repeat after me, slowly. This is delicious. This is delicious. Now, I will give you 10 seconds of silence. Use this time to repeat the sentence by yourself.
This is delicious.
Almost there. Check, please. This is how you ask for the bill so you can pay for your meal. Very important at the end of your meal. Repeat after me, slowly. Check, please. Check, please. Now, I will give you 10 seconds of silence. Use this time to repeat the sentence by yourself.
Check, please.
And finally, thank you for the meal. This is a polite way to show appreciation to the restaurant staff after you have finished eating. Repeat after me, slowly. Thank you for the meal. Thank you for the meal. Now, I will give you 10 seconds of silence. Use this time to repeat the sentence by yourself.
Thank you for the meal.
Great job today, everyone! You've learned 10 new and very useful chunks for visiting a restaurant. Keep practicing these phrases and you'll be ordering like a native speaker in no time. Before we go, I want to share a piece of wisdom to inspire you on your learning journey. This advice comes from a very famous and influential person. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. Keep loving your learning journey, and you will achieve great things. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.
We are so grateful for our amazing learning family. See you for the next bite.